What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. Well, guys, today started off pretty uneventful, pretty much exactly what I expected out of small caps. I tweeted out my watch list this morning, and DGS was one of the leading gappers. We had one real nice move here now in the late morning. Made a brand new high, came back down to VWAP, but look how choppy this has been. And honestly, I'll tell you right now, I didn't see this. I stopped watching it after this breakdown here. I'm pretty impressed that it even made this attempt and broke through VWAP and went off to a brand new high day on the increase in volume. But I didn't have it on watch anymore just because I don't expect a lot out of small caps. Now as we enter into earnings season, I just expect a lot of stuff to be going off on Tesla, Amazon, Apple, stuff like that. Today we have Prime Day. So Prime Day, that's when they have a lot of specials. If you're looking for a day trading computer, link in the description section below. You can find my Amazon store there where I have like my Amazon suggestions, and you can find computers and such. As far as that goes, you also have Apple coming out with the new iPhone here pretty soon. So I don't expect a lot out of small caps. Well, guys, before we move further, let me let you know, go to hustlewithjessew.com. That's my website. Sign up for the weekly list. I'll leave a comment with the link in the comment section, as well as it's in the description section. Also check out Webull. They have extended their 2 free stocks through the end of the month, and now they have a pretty cool deal, right? If you sign up, put $100 in your account, you're going to get your 2 free stocks. But then if you get somebody to sign up, well, 3 people to sign up, or with your customer referral link, you're going to get, and they deposit $100, I think, you're going to get 15 free stocks totaled after you get all 3 of them. You'll get a few stocks for the first one, and so on and so forth until you get all 3. And then if you get 3 people, you get 15 free stocks. That's pretty much a no-brainer, guys. So make sure you jump on that link in the description section and in the comment section. So MDGS, one nice move there. I had no idea that even happened. PED was the one I was watching this morning. Big gap up. But as you can tell, exactly what I would have expected out of it. What else? GILL. I don't even know why this thing popped up so big. I didn't see any news on it. And I think that's it. I think that's it for small caps I tweeted out this morning. Then on the large caps, on the big boards here, I had Apple on watch. I had Amazon on watch. I had Tesla on watch. These were all, Tesla's the only one that's given, somewhat of a move here, but I don't know. I don't know if I didn't take it just because I didn't have, a lot of trust in it. I have one trade on Tesla, but I missed out. I was waiting and waiting for a reversal, but it just kept looking weaker and weaker and weaker, while the SPY just kept looking choppier and choppier and choppier. Look at this. This is the open. We go through VWAP underneath. But look at that. Like, seriously, it's so choppy. And at the same time, we had this dump here on Tesla from, an open of 443.35 all the way down to a low day of 436.60. And then we start to reverse. I thought that was going to be it. We were going to start reversing here. Good volume on the pop off this low. Okay. But then we don't make it through VWAP. Then we finally make it through VWAP here. And we just, hold it for a couple and then chop underneath VWAP. And I was like, okay, well, here goes the fail. I guess I just didn't have confidence in much to the long side today. Overall market has been on a huge move. So I thought, we might just be choppy. Like, look at this. Look at this 3-minute chart on the SPY. Huge moves. And then, I expect maybe like a consolidation day, an inside day, which is what we're getting here on the daily on the SPY right now. So I thought, okay, well, maybe the big caps are going to be choppy. The small caps are going to be duds, and big caps are going to be choppy, the large caps, right? That's what I thought. And so it was hard for me to hold on to jump into it here. Then here in this flag, I tried, where was it? I got long in one of these flags here. I don't know if it was this one or this one. I don't think it was this one. This one, I messed up. Here I messed up because I was watching to see if this the previous high of day, which was 443.50 area, would hold support, and we pulled in here and we pulled in here. And this one was the one to get in on, and look at this nice uptrend from 444s, 445, all the way to a high day of 448. That was a nice move there. But even this, look, brand new high day, and then boom, right back down. It was difficult to get in on these plays. So at this point, I don't know what to tell you. It's very hard to get some direction. If you look at Tesla here, 450 has been really, really tough resistance. Okay, if we break over 450, I would imagine we're going to go test these 460s. If we ever break these 460s on some big volume, then $500 isn't out of the table, out of the equation here. Off the table. 480, then maybe 500. But like right now, it's just so difficult to get long these stocks with this market where it's at. So I mean, I do have the one live trade. I mean, this is another non-eventful day. Okay, lately I haven't really lost money, but I really haven't made money, just because I feel we're in a very, very difficult environment. So I'm being very, very protective of my gains from the summer and early fall. So it's just difficult for me in that aspect. But I'm staying disciplined, and that's what I want you guys to take from this. You got to remain disciplined, stick to your strategies, be patient. We don't have to trade every day. I didn't even trade yesterday. I fired up everything in the morning, took a look at the scans, and went back to sleep. I didn't like anything. I really went back to sleep, and I don't regret it. Sure, Apple made a nice move, but I don't regret yesterday taking the day off. I needed it anyways. I'll show you here my live trade. There's nothing here. I sold out a little bit way too early. Okay, so I got in on this second flag here, holding this area as like my support. I actually bought the stock itself because I didn't like how the options were moving. So I bought 100 shares. I really wanted 200 shares, but I would have preferred to have gotten my 200 shares down here in front of this 443.50 area. So I just picked up 100 shares here. My stop was going to be this 445 area, 445.50. Area, just that zone there in general, and my target was really 448. I sold out of this like way too quick, just because, like I said, I'm having trust issues with pretty much everything right now. So I'm in 100 shares, 446.11, and I'm looking for a pop-up to 448, and this trade was under 3 minutes long. We'll fast forward it here real quick. We're trying to get a little pop there, and we go right up there. I put a limit order, like I get it ready so that I can take profits off. I was going to just take 50 shares off at 448. Hold on to them. We'll see if we were going to get that 450 break on the last 50 shares. But we kind of struggle there in front of 447. So right there, I sell out of it, which is dumb. That was just a dumb sell. I mean, I get out of it. I make a little money, but that was right in here. That was dumb. That was a dumb sell. That was a dumb sell because we made it, to my first target. So just disappointing. But like I said, it's very, very difficult to trust anything right now for me. So I'm just staying, that's my fish tank back there. So I'm just staying disciplined as possible, and very protective of my gains, of my account, my capital, my mental capital, and my actual capital itself. I'm going to be protective of it until this market is showing me that my setups are there, my setups are working, and I'm getting continuation. There's no continuation in small caps, zero, and large caps are getting a little choppy. So I'm going to keep playing defense, and I won't get aggressive until, there's the opportunity to get aggressive on. That's it. So let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel for me. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.